Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Blockies Pokemon Charizard action figure. Alright, so yung first step, gagawa tayo ng mga new sculpts using barbecue sticks, glue gun, and cardboards. Since si Mega Charizard X, meron siyang mga additional pointed na mga parts sa kanyang horns. Lalagay natin yung pointed na part ng barbecue stick doon sa end ng kanyang horns para mas maging sharp. And then gumawa na rin tayo ng mga cutouts na mga boards para sa kanyang wings kasi yung wings niya medyo mas pointed din. Siguro mga 4 or 5 na pointed segments. Tapos gumamit na rin ako ng glue gun para idikit yung mga cardboards dun sa flat part ng wings. Alright, next step, spray na natin siya ng primer. Ang primer na gagamitin natin dito ay Bosny number 4 Flat Black. And then we are going to use Hero Paints Acrylic Primer Gray para dun sa first layer of dry brushing natin. For dry brushing, nag-add tayo ng extra layer of weathering, tapos ma-emphasize din yung mga sculpt details, and nakakapag-add din siya ng additional layer of highlights. Yan. Itutuloy lang natin yan sa lahat ng parts ng kanyang body. Okay, after that, lighter shade of gray naman. Mag-add lang tayo ng white para dun sa kanyang tummy area or stomach area. Yan. Para pag nag-paint tayo ng blue, mas vibrant yung color blue. Okay, next paint, Cobalt Blue from Hero Paints. Add lang natin siya dun sa inner part ng kanyang wings. Thank you again, Hero Paints, for sponsoring this video. If you want to know more about Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Shopee page nila or Lazada page. I think meron sila both. Marami silang paint na colors doon and maganda yung range of colors nila. Maraming kulay kayong pwedeng pagpilian. And then next color, turquoise naman. Add lang natin siya dun sa mga parts na gusto nating i-highlight. And also, dry brushing ulit yung process na ginagawa natin dito. Yan, try lang natin ulit dun sa belly. Kasi mas lighter yung belly ni Charizard X. So yung technique natin dito, dark colors to lighter colors. Yun yung application natin. And then next color, patina blue. Para lang magkaroon ng additional layer. Mas light pa yung i-apply natin. So, ang darkest color na in-apply natin for blue is cobalt blue, and then turquoise, and then patina blue. And there you have it mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. We are done with Mega Charizard X na custom repaint from Blockies. Gumawa na rin tayo ng 3 illustrations na Charizard X. And also, I also signed the box. This is for sale for $150 only. So if you want to buy this, punta lang kayo sa aking page and then send a DM kung gusto nyo bilhin to. $150 only. Shoutout din sa Collector's Quest PH. Meron kaming X-Deal project and ito yung napili kong product for the project. Yan. Available na rin ito mga Mega Charizard X na mga illustrations for $100 each. Yan. Dahil na tayo sa Mega Charizard X. We also have the custom na mga fire effects. Ginawa natin siyang blue. Tapos yung eyes niya mas white. And yung tongue niya is red. So overall scheme is black and blue. So yun yung ginawa natin dito. And also, we added some additional sculpt para mas sharp yung features ng kanyang horns and some parts of the wings. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.